Hello friends of our homestead, in our this week's video we'd like to show you how a simple foot switch can change your life forever. For a lot of projects I do on the farm I use my 12-inch Dewalt mitresaw, and I always have the problem whenever I do a cut it makes a lot of sawdust. To get rid of the sawdust I added a simple shop vac, but the problem with these machines is you have to switch it manual on by hand and you have to switch it off. And to be honest, in 99% of the cases I forgot to switch the shop vac on. Which is not bad, then I don't have to switch it off. But then the workbench looks like that. You have a lot of sawdust on the workbench, on the machine, on the shelves, on the wall, everywhere. There are some nice gadgets out on the market to solve that problem. So one of these is that automatic shop vac switch. That kind of switch costs you around about $83 plus tax on Amazon. If you're interested in it, I put the link for you in the description down below. And they are pretty simple to use. The only things you have to do, you have to plug your vacuum in here. And whatever kind of machine you want to use, doesn't matter is it a table saw or a miter saw, you plug that in here. And if you want to use a second machine with the same vacuum, you can plug that in here. But the thing is, in that case you have to split your vacuum hose, so one have to go to the table saw and the other have to go to the miter saw. But in that case you have to block one of the outlets of the vacuum if you use the other one. But in my case I found another solution, a cheaper solution. I added a simple foot switch. One like that. So you plug that in a simple wall outlet and the shop vac in here. And whenever you use the table saw, or in my case the miter saw, I step with my foot on it and the shop vac comes on. That's the plan, and now I have to get rid of all the sawdust on my workbench and on my miter saw. We post every Sunday a new video on our YouTube channel. If you like our videos and what we do, leave a thumb up for us and please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be up to date. I drilled the hole with the hole saw in my workbench, just big enough that the plug fits into the hole. I stick the wire and the plug in from underneath the workbench. I disconnect the vacuum from the wall outlet and I plug the plug in. And I plug the shop vac into the plug from the foot switch. If you like the idea with the foot switch, just click on the link that I left for you in the description down below and you can find more info about it. And it works absolutely like I expected. Never that much sawdust on the workbench, if you don't forget to step on the foot switch. Ha! Welcome to the future! That's it for this week's video. Thanks guys for watching it. I know it was a short one, but the video next week is definitely a longer one. I like to show you in that video how we built our brand new smokehouse. If you like to support us a little, you can buy us a coffee. I put the link for you in the description down below, and we see us next week. And please don't forget to subscribe.